Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. If you have already subscribed, welcome back. I know it has been a long time since I posted my last video. And as you can see, I have already cleaned the ribs and I'm going to season the meat using the organic spicy peach all-in-one barbecue marinade. This barbecue marinade is an all-in-one. You don't need to add no extra salt, nothing else. Everything is already in there. I'm going to give it a good rub. After that, I'll be putting it in a tray and fully fold it with some aluminum foil so that it can get ready for the grill. And for our barbecue platter today, I'm also going to make some corn, so I'm going to peel them out. If you are new here, my name is Claude Mott. I am the owner and founder of Le Bon Goût Seasoning. And in this channel, guys, I post quick and easy recipe. I also post video about how I run my business and also post a lot of packaging video. If you're into this kind of content, please remember subscribing. Also in this channel, I post quick and easy recipe that you can easily follow and make at home. So please remember to hit that subscribe button. And for the corn, I simply boil them in water and add a little bit of salt. In the meantime, I am cleaning the chicken and I'm going to season the meat using the organic spicy meat seasoning. I already have the macaroni boiling for the mac and cheese. Now I'm just going to let the chicken sit for a little bit of time so it can fully marinate. The water is ready. Now I'm going to put the macaroni so it can cook. In the meantime, I'm just going to season the burgers. For the burgers, I'm using the organic all-in-one green seasoning. You can add how many spoons that you want. It is up to you. And after that, I'm simply going to start forming the burgers and prepare everything so that I can go outside and start grilling. Well, I already have my grill outside warming up. The macaroni is ready. I'm simply going to make the mac and cheese. I have a recipe that goes in depth on how I make my mac and cheese. That is on my channel. I'll make sure to have the link below. However, these are the main ingredients that I use to make my mac and cheese. Seasoning salt, eggs, Velveeta cheese, chopped cheddar, mozzarella, and I also use some carnation milk, some annatto, and paprika. These are just simple ingredients. If you follow this recipe, I guarantee you your mac and cheese will come out so creamy and super delicious. Now that I am done mixing all the ingredients, and I added the macaroni on a tray, I'm just going to add some butter on top and also add more of the carnation milk and some cheese on top so I can have a nice crispy top. Then put it in the oven and let it bake. In the meantime, I am making some baked beans, and after that I'm just going to clean and wash out the salad. Now that the salad is ready, all the meat are fully seasoned, we are going to get ready to hop outside. I didn't really record much because my camera was acting up and it was way overexposed, and I wanted to spend some good time outside with the baby. Overall, I took some pictures so I can give you guys an idea of what the final dish looked like. And this is what the baked mac and cheese looked like when it was out of the oven. It came out perfect, super creamy. Now we are just going to get ready for plating. And here is the final shot of the barbecue platter. Everything came out perfect. The baked mac and cheese is super creamy, chicken is juicy, and the burgers, they are off the top. And the ribs, they are falling off the bones, and the baked beans, super delicious. I really hope you enjoy this recipe. Our next recipe, I'm going to make some Haitian dish where I show you guys how to make some black bean sauce. If you guys enjoy this recipe, please remember to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.
Cooking made easy.